Hello crafty crafters and welcome to my kitchen. My art kids today wanted to make paper mache masks because they saw the lion video that I made and they asked if I could make it with them. So I'm gonna give it a go. Wish me luck because these kids are quite young and making a paper mache mask requires a lot of patience. The lion that I made, they wanted to make a shark and a crocodile. So if you've been watching the channel, you've seen how I made this mask before. Now what I'm gonna bring for this is the similar base that I've made the lion mask out of. So a paper plate for the background. For the crocodile I'm bringing an egg box, which will be the snappy snap part. Then I'm bringing cardboard, aluminium foil, masking tape, and that's gonna bring a really solid strong base. We are making the paper mache out of wallpaper paste and paper strips. And I mixed some ready for the boys in here to get us started.
So cute. Paper mache. Paper mache. Well, what does black and blue make?
It makes like really dark blue.
The nostrils have to be so much they really like see. So in the gold.
If you're into arts and crafts, hit the subscribe button and also click the bell so you get notifications for new videos. I'm Charlotta from London Art Nanny and stay tuned for the next video.